Bonjour mes amis de première et deuxième année, c'est Madame Martin et je suis très contente d'être ici et parler un peu français avec vous. Hello my friends from 1st and 2nd grade, it's Mrs. Martin and I'm happy to be here to speak some French with you today. Well, let's start out with our song as we do every class. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bonjour, tout va bien, j'ai mes 10 doigts, mes 2 mains, mes yeux encore fatigués comme tous les matins. Bonjour, tout va bien, j'ai mes 10 doigts, mes 2 mains, mes yeux sont bien réveillés comme tous les matins. Well, bonjour again. Do you know what day it is today? Can you figure that out? Well, let's sing our song and see if you know which day it is today. We start out with Monday. Shall we do it? 1, 2, 3. Les jours en français. 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 Il y a lundi et puis mardi. Mercredi et jeudi, vendredi et samedi, et puis il y a dimanche, les jours en français, les jours en français, les jours en français, les jours en français, les jours en français. Well, did you figure it out? We always start on Monday. So we have lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Aujourd'hui c'est jeudi. Today is Thursday. Good job. Well, before we get on to something new, I wanted to get back to our pets. And I want to say thank you. Some of you have already sent in your favorite pet, and I've gotten some pretty funny answers. Someone even said a tarentule, a tarantula. I don't know if I'd want a tarantula as a pet. I think I even got a lion. I love your answers. So for those of you who haven't answered yet, you can still do it. All you have to write down is one favorite pet, but I gave you room to write down up to 3 because I know sometimes it's hard just to say one. Well, before we go on, let's go over the words we had last week. I'm going to say the word, you repeat after me. Un lézard. Un hamster. Un oiseau. Un serpent. Une souris. Une tortue. Un cobaye. Un chien. Un chat. Un poisson. Un lapin. And we had 2 more words that were on the other sheet of vocabulary. We have un cheval, and we had un cochon d'Inde. And I told you that a cochon d'Inde is also un cobaye. They both mean the same thing. And we don't say guinea pig, we say pig from India. Remember? So go over your words. That would be a good idea. Well, today we're going to talk about something different. Today I thought it would be fun to learn some vocabulary around our school supplies. What we need in school and now at home to do some pretty good work. So I sent you this picture. And on this picture we have things that you need for school. So I'm going to point to the picture. I'll say the word in French, and I want you to repeat after me. Here we have, it's le and la. And le means the, La means the, but with our animals, we had un and une. That means a. So we're saying the pen, the pencil case. So here we go. Le stylo. Le stylo. That's a pen. That's usually a fountain pen. Le crayon. Le crayon. Now don't get that mixed up because it makes you think of a crayon. And a crayon in English is something you color with. In French, a pencil is the pencil would be le crayon. Now if you have a colored pencil, it will be le crayon de couleur. But all I want you to remember is le crayon. Here we have la gomme. La gomme, the eraser. Here we have la trousse, la trousse. La trousse, that's the pencil case. Here we have le taille crayon. Le taille crayon. It's the sharpener of the pencil in French. And last we have la règle. La règle is the ruler. La règle. There's 6 little words. I'll go over them one more time. Say them with me. Le stylo. Le crayon. La gomme. La trousse. Le taille-crayon. La règle. Very good. So I sent this to you in the classroom, and I also sent a small cartoon where a cute little animal will say the same words, but he added some others, and I wanted to go over those with you so you know what they are. So he will talk about un cartable. Can you say cartable? A cartable is a school bag. Now, this isn't on your words, but there is a difference. Sometimes the older kids wear sac à dos, a backpack, a sac à dos. That's the backpack. But if you're carrying it, and I think you have a lot of those in class, they are called cartable. They're also going to add a word for this. Now these are des ciseaux. Des ciseaux. Scissors, as in English, are always plural. Des ciseaux. Let's see, what else are they going to add? They're going to add un feutre. Un feutre. A feutre is a marker. They're also going to show you un livre. Un livre d'école. Now look at me. I'm learning all about pasta because I love pasta. This is a book. A book in French is un livre. Okay? There'll also be one more, and I couldn't find it because I don't have it. It's called un pinceau, and that is a brush to paint with, a little paintbrush. Un pinceau. So let's see if you remember some of the things I went over. Where did I put? Just a minute. So I'm going to show you an object, and let's see if you can remember what it is. I know it was fast, so what you can do is take a look at the pictures, pause the video, take a look at the pictures, and then come back and see if you can guess what it is. On the little cartoon with the vocabulary, they do the same thing. the little rabbit, I think it's a rabbit, is going to ask you, where is the pencil case? In French, of course. Où est le gomme? Où est le crayon? And you, la gomme, le crayon, you're going to have to show it. So do you remember what this is? C'est la trousse. La trousse. What color is my pencil case? Violet. Violette. So it's la trousse violette. It's the purple pencil case. Now, do you remember, excuse me, do you remember what this is? This is la règle. La règle. Good job. How about this? This is le crayon. Le crayon. And if you guessed it, good job. That's a great job. How about this? What is this? Do you remember? Can you remember what this is? It's le taille-crayon. Le taille-crayon. Good job. Here we have the very first one I showed you. Do you know what this is? Do you remember how to say this? Le stylo. Le stylo. Good job. And then we have, mine is a small, look at how small, and it's in the shape of a donut. I absolutely love it. Can you guess what this is? Can you guess what I do with this? In French, it's la gomme. La gomme. It's an eraser. Good job. So the rabbit, the little rabbit, will show you more with the cartable, les ciseaux. But these are the words I'd like you to remember. These are the words I'd like you to remember. And I will be sending out a little game that I'd like you to send back to me to see if you know the names of these 6 objects. Okay, well, let's see. I think that was all. You'll also see in the classroom or in stream, I sent you 2 stories, 2 cartoons. And one of them is called, let's see if I wrote the name down. I didn't, but one of them is Choupi. Choupi à l'école. Choupi is a little person that has a lot of cartoons out there. Our children watch it in Belgium and France all the time. You can find him on YouTube. But this one is about Choupi, and one of his friends brings one of her toys to school. And you'll see what happens to that toy. So it's Choupi à l'école, I think. The second one is a story that I really think is cute. I saw that. It's called L'ogre qui voulait aller à l'école. L'ogre qui voulait aller à l'école. The ogre who wanted to go to school. And this is a story about a young ogre who was tired of seeing his parents eating children all day, so he decided he would like to read. And the only way to read was to go to school. So he asks his parents to go to school, and you'll see what happens. Has a very happy ending. So those are 2 cartoons in French that I think would be fun to watch and see if you recognize any of the words, such as bonjour, comment ça va? You'll maybe recognize those words. So there are 2 cartoons. You have 2 different vocabularies, one with the 6 pictures. That's the only one I really want you to remember, and another one that's kind of cute and fun to listen to. Well, that's about it for today. So I'm going to end with a book because I love to read. And today I'm going to read you a story called Les Petits Sioux. Sioux is Sioux in English, but the French pronounce it Sioux. So it's the little Sioux Indians. It's a story about the little Sioux Native Americans. Yes. Here we go. La tribu des Petits Sioux. So this is the tribe. These are the people we're going to be talking about. His name is Petit Tom, little Tom, Petit Tom. His name is Gros Tipi, big teepee. And the bear is called Poil Sec, dry fur. Petit Tom, Gros Tipi, Poil Sec. Let's see their story. Here goes. What does it look like he's doing? I think he's fishing. Here goes. Ce matin, Petit Tom est au bord de la rivière. Que fait-il avec sa lance? Il pêche, mais ce n'est pas si facile. So ce matin is this morning. This morning, little Tom is on the side of the river, and what is he doing with his spear? Il pêche. He's fishing with a spear. But it's not as easy as it looks. Let's see. Son ami Gros Tipi arrive. Il lui dit, regarde ce que j'ai apporté. Il montre à Petit Tom 2 cannes à pêche. Génial! Avec ça, on va pêcher plein de poissons, dit Petit Tom. So his friend, Big Teepee, comes to see him. He says, look what I brought. 2 fishing poles, 2 cannes à pêche. And what does little Tom say? Here's a word I think you would like. He says, génial. And that's what you hear all over the playground. Génial means it's great. Awesome. Génial, he says. This way we're going to be able to fish lots of fish out of the river. Here we go. Ooh, look. Hurrah, j'ai pêché un bon poisson gris, dit Petit Tom. Hurrah, j'ai pêché un beau poisson bleu, dit Gros Tipi. Yay, I caught a big gray fish, said little Tom. Yay, I caught a big blue fish, said Big Teepee. Looks like they're having a lot of success. Oh oh, voilà Poil Sec, l'ours ronchonne. Il s'installe au bord de la rivière, mais un peu plus haut. Lui, il attrape les poissons avec ses pattes. 1, 2, 3 poissons, 4, 5. Poil Sec est un sacré pêcheur. Uh-oh, here comes Dry Fur, and he's crabby. He's sitting down on the river, on the edge of the river, but a little bit higher from our 2 little friends. He's sitting upriver. So the fish come to him before they get down to the other 2. So he starts to catch fish. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 poissons, 5 fish, and he's catching them avec ses pattes. His hands, he's catching them. He's quite a fisher. So, Petit Tom et Gros Tipi sont en colère. Ils ne pêchent plus rien maintenant. Poil Sec attrape tous les poissons devant nous, dit Gros Tipi. Petit Tom a une idée. Allons nous installer plus haut que lui. So little Tom and Gros Tipi are really not happy. In fact, they're very, very angry. They're not catching any fish now. Oh, Dry Fur is sitting up the river and he's catching all the fish for us. So little Tom says, I have an idea. We're going to go even higher than the bear, and that way the fish will come in front of us before they come down to Dry Fur. Here we go. So here's the river, and the river is flowing this way. Look at. So they're sitting up here catching all the fish, and now he doesn't have any. Les 2 amis remontent le long de la rivière. Ils vont s'installer plus haut que l'ours. Chouette, les poissons passent de nouveau devant eux. So they did exactly what I said. They went and sat higher than the bear. Chouette means great. Now they're catching all the fish. They're coming in front of them before it comes down to the bear. Uh-oh. Maintenant, Poil Sec n'est pas contente. Gros Tipi s'écrie « Malheur, Poil Sec vient vers nous. Il a l'air de mauvaise poil. Vite, sauvons-nous, dit Petit Tom. » Now Dry Fur is angry. Uh-oh, Big Teepee is yelling, "Oh my gosh, he's coming towards us, and he doesn't look happy. Quick, let's get out of here." Petit Tom et Gros Tipi se sauvent. Ils courent si vite qu'ils laissent leurs poissons au bord de la rivière. So Little Tom and Big Teepee run away. And they're running so fast they left all their fish behind them. Here. Look where they're hiding. And look at him. Ouf! Poil Sec ne nous poursuit pas, dit Petit Tom, mais il part avec tous nos poissons. Suivons-le, dit Petit Tom. Quel affreux voleur, s'écrie Gros Tipi. Oh, oof! Now Dry Fur is not following us anymore. Yeah, but he's taking all our fish. Let's follow him, said Little Tom. Oh, he's such a thief, said Big Teepee. Poil Sec rentre chez lui. Poil Sec rentre chez lui. Petit Tom et Gros Tipi l'observent à travers la fenêtre. Grrr, il va manger tous nos poissons, dit Gros Tipi. So Dry Fur goes back home. Little Tom and Big Teepee are looking at him par la fenêtre through the window. Oh, he's going to eat all our fish now. Mais voilà que Poil Sec sort pour aller chercher des légumes dans son jardin. Petit Tom a une idée. Il dit à Gros Tipi, « Suis-moi, nous allons monter sur le toit. » But all of a sudden, Dry Fur takes a shovel to go out into his vegetable garden and get some vegetables. Little Tom has a great idea. He says to Big Teepee, "Follow me. We're going to go up on top of his roof." I wonder what they're going to do. Oh! Pêcher les poissons chez un ours, ça c'est rigolo. And look at, so he says, to fish through the roof of a bear cave, now that is fun. And look at Poil Sec. Where did all my fish go? Voila. There they go. The end. I thought that was a rather cute book. A very cute book. So here we have just some vocabulary that was in the story. This is la canne à pêche. This is a fishing pole. La colère. Ooh, he's really angry. La lance, the spear. Les légumes, that means vegetables. L'ours is bear. Le poisson is fish. And la rivière is the river. Well, I hope you enjoyed the story today. I thought it was rather cute. So take a look at your words for school and have a very nice weekend. Goodbye, everyone. I'll see you next week.